Hi friends, so I quickly wanted to show you how you can add black headers to your widgets. So this is a very simple tutorial and I'm sure most of you already know how to do that, but I thought I would still create a very quick tutorial for you to follow along. This specific planner is the monthly medication tracker, and this planner can be used commercially. You can find it on the starter template page, which can be accessed from here. And then when you scroll down a bit, you will see the health trackers or the health medication tracker. So if you want to follow along this exact tutorial with this planner, open up this health medication tracker. And then once you've opened it up, you should see something that looks like this. And then from here, if you want to add black headers, what you will have to do first is change the styling to the minimal style. So go to Style Minimal and then click on Minimal. So this will add you a styling where you have colored headers. And then from here you can go to Color and then click on Header or on the header color. And then choose a black color, and this will make all the headers black. What you will have to do next is change the text color to white. So go to Text and then click on H2. And then on the color icon, click on it and then change it to white. And now you have black headers with white texts. And if you don't like black, you can also make the headers dark gray, or you can choose any other dark color that complements the white text. So you can play around and see what you like. But this is how you can create black headers on all widgets with a white text in it. If you have any questions, feel free to message me on Instagram or Facebook anytime, and I will try to respond to your questions as quickly as I can. Bye!